Well, hello everybody. Today I want to just show you how I put this simple and easy, cheesy, flavorful pizza together. From the dough to the toppings, everything was full of flavor, full of cheese. Just perfect. Let's get started with our thin crust, very cheesy, flavorful pizza. Let's get started. Flour, cheese, and lard. And in this cup I have some pizza seasoning, salt and sugar. Add it to the cheese and the lard in the flour. Knead for 10 minutes. Let that rest. Open it out. Take a fork, poke some holes. I am using my homemade tomato sauce. The link is above. I am going to add some cheese, generous amount of cheese, and I'm going to add some ham, and then I'm going to add some salami, and I'm going to add again some cheese. So my dough is kneaded with pizza seasoning and cheese, and there's a lot of cheese on in the pizza, so, and I wanted a thin crust. I like thin crust pizza. I don't like a thick doughy pizza at all, so I didn't add any rising agents into my pizza. All right, and now I bake this for 30 minutes at 350 degrees, and that's how easy I made a very cheesy, mouth-watering, delicious pizza with my homemade tomato sauce. And I use also that tomato sauce to make some good jollof rice. Check it out. Bye.